Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Pixel 6a camera app and tapping the gear icon. This is where most options live. Once done, scan exposure, HDR, and video resolution so you know what to restore later. Make a quick note. If the in-app controls look stuck, move straight to System Settings. Press and hold the camera app icon and tap App Info to reach the next steps. This avoids wasted time and gets you into the controls that actually store preferences. Now go into Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow See All Apps, right arrow Camera, and choose Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Storage, confirm, and understand why. This wipes the camera app saved settings and returns defaults, which solves misconfigured options. Make sure you backed up any profiles or noted settings before confirming, because those preferences are removed. Once cleared, make sure permissions are granted back under App Permissions. Otherwise, the camera won't access mic or storage for video and photos. Reopen the camera app and verify defaults like exposure, HDR, and resolution. You should see stock behavior now. If the app asks for permission, grant camera, microphone, and storage access so features work correctly. If something still fails, restart the phone and check for a camera app or system update, because outdated software can cause glitches. One key troubleshooting tip: if clearing data didn't help, reset app preferences in Settings to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.